So we're here at base camp in Kankakee with Daniel and Ray. It's Ray's birthday over there. Happy birthday, Ray.
Hey, thanks, man.
Base camp, right?
Yes.
Ray's birthday.
And Daniel and his capturing devices. And of course it's me, Jerry.
How was your night's sleep?
Pretty good. I wish I could have slept more, but when the sun is up, everybody's up, right?
Did you get some sleep?
So we have...
Yeah, I still haven't figured out how to use Da Vinci.
Oh yeah, Da Vinci
but
software.
it looks really powerful.
Yeah, it's fun.
I can't believe it's free.
Daniel's flying his drone. Pretty awesome. Is this the Mavic?
Yeah, it's
What's the flight time on this one?
I'm not sure. I think it's like 20 minutes.
Awesome. So we're here at Kankakee State Park, the parking lot. There's Daniel, Ray, birthday boy, my gear. There's the Kankakee River. Crabone. We're about to do a little excursion.
Oh my Jesus Lord.
Yeah, so he's getting some...
If you pay extra, we turn it this way for you.
Yes.
If not, you only see me do this.
Oh, somebody's doing a little campfire here. We got wild violets, violas over there. Yes. Woo! There's a congratulatory boulder. Well. So this is the C.A. Burt Stevens founded the park in 1948.
This memorial in recognition of his collection.
How dare you wipe your dirty shoe on our memorial?
This memorial is in dedication to his election.
Yeah, what the hell?
By his parents.
What the hell's wrong with you, Dad? Jerry.
Here is a narrow bridge over the Kankakee River. And at the state park, I guess we're going to cross the Kankakee River to the other side of the park. And here's the bridge to do it. Ray and I are standing on a narrow bridge on top of the Kankakee River. We're here in Kankakee State Park, River State Park.
Jerry's breaking out his bungee cord.
I'm gonna see if I can bungee jump. Take a dip in the pool, in the water, and then bungee back up. Yeah.
There's a nice rock down there, Jerry. Can you get that for me when you...
You want me to touch
down?
it?
Yeah.
Kind of like just grab it and
Yeah,
pull it
yeah.
back up. Sure, anything for you, Ramon. This is your birthday.
Yeah,
Happy birthday.
That's what I want. That's all I want, Jerry.
I guess this is a decline, right? A steep decline. Yeah. Yeah, look. Only bikes with no riders, ghost riders, can go down this hill. That's what it means. Am I right?
Yes.
The Asian
Longhorn beetle.
emerald beetles, longhorn, yeah. You can see all the
It's because of
the holes.
beetles.
We love you, yeah, yeah. Or should it be, I love you long time, down by the river.
So we're venturing off the path and into a small trail to see the river from here. Beautiful day here in Kankakee, Illinois. Hovering just at the 70-degree mark Fahrenheit.
It's nice. There's crickets.
Oh wow, I just hit my 10,000 mark.
10,000 steps.
Nice. You want to walk back soon? I got that on camera. So I found some campground sites here at Kankakee River Trail. It's closed to the public because of the pandemic, but there are sites here for camping. Pretty cool.